beautiful park. So I have to walk through this park for 500-600 meters to enter into Greenwich Observatory, and I can also see the London from that place. So London is about parks. There are several beautiful parks inside the London city. So they provide oxygen to everyone, every Londoner. So this is very, very important, as we can call them as lungs of London. Like we have Central Park in New York. So there are several parks in London. So this is London from this Royal Observatory. Beautiful London on a mild sunny day. I can't say it is exactly full sunny day, but it is okay, not bad compared to day before yesterday. Day before yesterday was full cloudy. So this is Canary Wharf and all those buildings. You can see Citibank building, HSBC building, so JP Morgan building, Barclays building, Chase. So all big banks, financial institutions, insurance companies. So now after this I will go there and spend some observatory entrance. Home of the Meridian line. This is called Greenwich Mean Time. So you can see again Central London or Canary Wharf area from here, looking beautiful. So even we can see Shard, buildings like Shard and everything. Towards my left, extreme left is Shard, very sharp building. Extreme left building is Shard, very sharp building. You good?
Yeah. Yeah.
This is the entrance. It opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 6. So last entry is 5:15. I am going to enter this. I heard that there is no ticket required to take a photograph on the GMT line, but I will see because it is 22 pounds. So I have met one Indian guy. He told me that no need to take any ticket. So it is just a waste of 22 pounds. So again, I can see that from a distance, very close distance, not far distance. So this is a big telescope. This is built for astronomers. So this is the entrance, Royal Observatory, home of the Meridian line, that is GMT line. This is a line, there is a Greenwich line. It is an imaginary line, but based on this line, so entire world timings have been drawn. So like India is plus 5.3 GMT hours. Now it is in summer. If it is winter, it is plus 4.3. So you can see that line. So if you want to go inside, it is 22 pounds. So I thought it is just better to come here and take a video. So this is the only thing we can do if we take the ticket by visiting Maritime Museum, Greenwich Observatory. Now I am going back to the TLR station, either Cutty's Ark or Greenwich, and I take a train and I go to Canary Wharf. So I spend some time there, and I will meet my senior, my college friend, so TSK Singh, and if possible if his wife, we have decided to meet for lunch, either late lunch or dinner. So I will see based on his availability and my schedule. So this is a beautiful park near Greenwich Observatory, Greenwich Maritime Museum. See, this is center of London, almost like central London, and see the beautiful park. See the map, everything. Beautiful park. So tube stations, Maze Hill station, different stations with GPS coordinates. Ibis Hotel close to Greenwich Observatory. So even we can stay here. It is not so too expensive, but definitely it is going to cost. So these are center tours, center coaches. So I am going towards Cutty Sark or Greenwich DLR, whichever is closer to me, and then from there I will take train to Canary Wharf. Now I am taking a different route so that I can explore different cafes, hotels, restaurants, different neighborhoods. So I have to cross road here, left, and then straight is the DLR station. So I have two DLRs. One is Cutty Sark and another one is Greenwich station. I'm going back to DLR station, Greenwich. So this is Greenwich National Rail station, but I have to walk further to reach Greenwich DLR. So DLR is light rail, you can see. So National Rail is indicated by the different symbol. Is a red. Is it in symbol is in red color. So DLR is in light blue color. So this is Novotel Hotel, close to the station. This DLR station. So now I have to go for go to Canary Wharf. So I will just go and check which side I have to take the train to go to Canary Wharf. I have to take. So it is exactly on time. So I will sit in the front so that I can take video. Train I have to take. So it is exactly on time. So I will sit in the front so that I can take video. I'm going towards Canary Wharf. I can see big buildings. This is South Quay. These are all bars and restaurants between South Quay and Canary Wharf. So this is called Mackenzie Walk. So I have just received a call from my college friend Shivakumar Singh, and he told me that he will be here in next 20-25 minutes. So I just spend some time here, take pictures, videos, I enjoy the vibes. So and I wait for him. This is Eden Dock. Oh, it is a repairing. There some maintenance work is going on, so I can't walk on that bridge. So I can use this. A beautiful walk. Beautiful, like, is okay, not bad today. Sunshine. Day before yesterday was not good. Yesterday was very good, and today is also. So you can see, this is the place I wanted to take pictures. So this is the place where we can see DLR trains crossing between two stations, South Quay and Canary Wharf. So this is the only place, I think only two places, one of two places in London where we can see big buildings. So very big buildings like downtowns in US. So we can call this downtown in UK, London. So we can't find any more big tall buildings anymore in London. And few buildings are at Shard, and there are a few buildings here.
No, it's not.
We can also go up to the Shard, but I don't have time. So it is like 1:45 p.m. So we meet for lunch. So this is a Northern Trust. It is a mortgage company, big mortgage company in UK. think is also bank in some areas, if I'm not wrong. So this is Chase JP Morgan building. So we can see this building from far. So the Citibank building. So all big buildings, excellent area except this lake. Lake needs to be cleaned up, or lake or whatever it is, stream. So it is looks like very polluted, you can see. So you can see HSBC tower. Now my senior is here, so he just came out of Jubilee Line station. He is coming from Liverpool Street, so I am going to meet him just outside Jubilee Line. So this I am going towards Jubilee Line. This is Cabot Place Mall. So this is where Jubilee Line, starting point of Jubilee Line, not starting point. Starting point is Stratford. I am going to meet him after maybe 6 months. We last met in my alumni meet, college alumni meet. He is my 2-year senior in the college, and his wife is 1 year junior to me in the college. So, yes, very much looking forward to meet him in London, central London, most beautiful place in Canary Wharf. This is, I am going towards Jubilee Line. One lady, English lady, is helping me to guide, so I don't want to waste time, so I just asked her. So this Elizabeth Line, Jubilee Line, all goes in this direction. So this is, I am almost close to Jubilee Line entry point from Canary Wharf. I can't see him.